we'll come back to default. Today, we're diving into a tutorial on how to host a WordPress website using cPanel. cPanel is a web hosting control panel that provides a user-friendly interface for managing your website, and its advantages are numerous, from simplifying file management to streamlining database administration. WordPress, of course, is the world's most popular content management system. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process of setting up your WordPress site within cPanel. Before we begin, let's cover the prerequisites. First, you'll need a domain name that is registered and properly pointed to your hosting account. You can register domain names at providers like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Remember that after updating your domain's name servers, it takes time for DNS propagation to occur across the internet. Next, you'll need a web hosting account that offers cPanel access. There are different types of hosting, such as shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting, each with its own pros and cons. You can typically access cPanel through your hosting provider's website. Finally, a basic understanding of WordPress is helpful, including knowing what WordPress is and having some familiarity with its installation process and themes. Let's jump into Step 1, accessing cPanel. You'll need to locate your cPanel login URL, which is usually provided by your hosting provider. Enter the username and password provided, and then take a moment to familiarize yourself with the cPanel interface. Step 2 involves creating a database. Look for the MySQL Databases or MySQL Database Wizard option within cPanel. Create a new database, giving it a descriptive name. Then, create a new database user, choosing a secure username and generating a strong, unique password, making sure to save this password securely. Finally, grant the user all privileges to the database by assigning the user to the database and selecting All Privileges. Now, let's move to Step 3, uploading WordPress files. Find the File Manager option in cPanel and navigate to the public_HTML directory or the specific subdirectory where you want your website to reside. Download the latest version of WordPress from wordpress.org. Upload the downloaded zip file to the public_HTML directory within cPanel's File Manager and extract the contents of the zip file. In Step 4, we'll configure the WordPress installation. Open your website URL in a web browser, for example, yourdomain.com. You'll be automatically redirected to the WordPress setup page. Select your preferred language, then enter the database details we set up earlier, the database name, username, password, and the host name, which is usually localhost. Run the installation and enter your website's information, including the site title, your desired username and password, and your email address. Step 5 involves completing the installation and logging in. Click the Install WordPress button and wait for the installation process to finish. Once it's complete, click the Login button, enter the username and password you just created, and you'll gain access to your WordPress dashboard. Step 6 is optional but highly recommended: securing your WordPress website. Change the default admin username if one exists. Install a reputable security plugin, such as WordFence or Securi. Enable an SSL certificate, which provides HTTPS, ensuring your website is secure. Let's Encrypt is often offered for free within cPanel. Finally, remember to keep WordPress, your themes, and your plugins updated to maintain optimal security. In conclusion, congratulations! You've successfully hosted a WordPress website using cPanel. Now, we encourage you to further explore WordPress by experimenting with themes, plugins, and customizations to make your site truly unique. Be sure to check out the WordPress and cPanel documentation for more in-depth information. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tutorials, leave a comment, and share this tutorial with others. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Default.